Picture this, a sleepy town, quiet as ever, until a 500-pound bear decides to take a joyride in a bulldozer. That's exactly what happened in Colorado when a curious black bear climbed into an unlocked construction vehicle. With one wrong paw on the controls, the beast accidentally revved the engine, sending the massive machine lurching forward. Workers scrambled as the confused bear drove in circles, proving that nature always finds a way to surprise us. Eventually, the bear hopped off unharmed, probably thinking, maybe stick to climbing trees next time. Ever seen an animal do something hilariously unexpected? Drop your wildest stories in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable tales.